How is it going? Don't forget, it's Ibrahim Adipoju from iTechMap, and I think we've been moving a long way in this course, guys. From the beginning, we've discussed about domain name, hosting server. I've showed you how to get a paid hosting and domain. I've showed you how to get the free one. I've showed you how to get a free hosting in the previous lectures, and I've shown you how to connect your hosting and your domain together. So now that everything is done, our website is probably live by now, and the next thing we need to do is to confirm whether your website has been connected. You can come down to the domain manager again and see. Okay, so from domain manager, let me see all my domains. So I can see this thing is showing me marked, meaning it has been connected. But if this is not showing you marked, it's still showing you that caution icon, you can just hover on it and you see something telling you to replicate this. Just click on replicate, it will refresh it for you. So now that this is set, the next thing we need to do is to return back to our home page and install WordPress from this. Many of the hosting services have the functionality that enables you to install your WordPress directly online. So I was pleased to use what you call the Zaki installer. So this Zaki installer, click on it, will enable you to install WordPress, Joomla. There are a lot of CMS. It's not only about WordPress alone, but WordPress is the king. We know WordPress is ruling. So yeah, so professionals use WordPress because even though by the time you become a coder, you can still code and develop things around WordPress. So we come here, open my Zaki installer. So I'll select, choose one of the most popular website creation system. So I'll select my WordPress. So it's loading, and the next thing is telling me to select a theme, but I don't really need any of that theme here. They suck, so I don't need them. So let me just next. Don't select any of these designs. We're doing cool designs from our end, so don't let them give us a demo design. So they're telling me to select some plugins. For now, just select let me just show you some plugins you might need. Let's select these for search engine, and let's select send images in SMTP. And just select, it's not compulsory, just select them. We'll still be able to talk about plugins at a later time. So you are told to choose the domain name you want to install your WordPress on. So I'm choosing that because this domain name has already been connected. So selecting the domain name, and we are not registering any domain name, so just keep this. So come down here, select destination where your website will be installed. Just leave it blank. So come down here, enter your website title. So the title of my website is iTechMap demo course site. You can give it a name, maybe fashion store, shop store, insurance, FMS. Anything you need your business name, just give it a title that you want people to see on Google when people type your domain name or people search about your name. Just the name alone without knowing the URL, the thing you want them to see on Google. So just type it there. So you see I take my demo course is showing here. So now the next thing is to set up your admin email. So let me use my normal email for my admin because WordPress will be hosted online, so you have to be logging in when you want to edit your site and do some designs and creative works around. So my username is going to be this. So admin username, I can just call it admin, and oh, this is not a valid email. Okay, so let me just put my password. Good, that means great. So once you've done that, just next. Okay, please just take your time to follow along, and if you are having a problem, I told you this course has a forum section. Go straight to the forum and ask a question. I will be asking you. So domain name, where is installing it to, domain path, username. Okay, so start now. So now it's installing my WordPress for me. So it's going to send me a confirmation mail once it's done. It's copying all the files. So instead of downloading it from the other platform, now the domain name is just doing the work for us. Now it's sending final confirmation mails to me. And now the URL that you use to be always access your website. So if you want to, this is the admin platform, the admin part where you are the only one that have access to it. Any people visiting your website doesn't have access to this. So you just go to copy this and come down here, paste it. Okay, so you have your WordPress installed. So in the next lesson we'll take a look at the WordPress component and see what you can do around with your WordPress and how you can check the URL. See you there next time.